Hi, my name's Aaron and I'm with Fleetistics, and today we're going to be talking about our DriveTRAX program. DriveTRAX is a program that enables the public to report on unwanted driving behavior that cannot be picked up by GPS tracking devices. On our website, you can read about the DriveTRAX program by going to Solutions and then How Are We Driving, and it gives you more details as well as some examples of some actual calls that we received or customers received indicating something was going on with their vehicle that GPS tracking simply wouldn't provide. And I'm going to go ahead and click on one of those now so you can listen.
A lane without completing the turn. So he should have stayed in his lane. It was the inside track, and instead he pulled in my lane and caused me to hit the curb.
So there we have a situation where a driver's behavior resulted in an accident that would probably never be reported. But fortunately, this guy got the driver's number, and at that point, the driver can be held accountable for the behavior. Most of the time, though, what we're looking for is to get ahead of that incident and understand where the driving behavior can be modified so we don't have those types of things. So in order to get to DriveTRAX inside of your My Fleetistics portal, go to Home, you go to Custom Reports, and then you have DriveTRAX over here. Because we're collecting this information through the keypad based on the incident type, we can put that information into a database, which we can then turn into charts and graphs and give you some feedback on the overall performance of your fleet. We also have a report. That gives us a line of information for each incident that is reported. Now, this is a demo database, so we have very little information here. But if it was actual, we'd be able to click on it and view a map of where the vehicle was at the time that that report was made. We can also listen to the actual report made by the caller. So we might have 15 or 20 of these rows of information. Hopefully we don't have any. In order to set up your DriveTRAX decals, you have to associate those decals with the vehicles. Otherwise, we simply do not know what vehicle that decal is on. So if we go into the Home Account Devices table, we come over here, we click on the Edit. We can then see that we have an opportunity to enter a DriveTRAX number as well as some additional information, and we click Save. Now that information is tied to your account and to that particular vehicle, and should we get a call, that information will automatically be routed to you and available to you via link from an email. If you have questions about the DriveTRAX program, please give Fleetistics a call. We'll help you get it set up. And DriveTRAX is free for the first year. After that, it's a nominal fee, and it just gives you another way of looking at your fleet as it operates throughout the day.